Are your watermelon plants producing small fruits, dropping flowers, or developing rotten spots and hollow fruits? The problem may not be pests or diseases. It could be nutrient deficiencies that are silently reducing your yields. Welcome to Cultivate Uganda, where we help you grow smarter and harvest more. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use foliar fertilizers correctly and how to identify and manage the most common nutrient deficiencies in watermelon so you can harvest bigger, sweeter, and higher-yielding fruits. Foliar feeding is the application of nutrients directly onto the leaves, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients quickly during critical growth stages. Unlike soil fertilizers that can become locked up in the soil, foliar fertilizers provide immediate nutrition exactly when the plant needs it most. Let's begin with the vegetative stage. This is the period between 1 and 3 weeks after germination or transplanting. During this stage, watermelon plants are busy developing roots, stems, and leaves. Strong early growth creates the foundation for a high-yielding crop. At this stage, farmers can apply high-phosphorus foliar fertilizers such as Gold Chance Superstart, Lavender Superstarter, or other similar starter fertilizers. Phosphorus stimulates root development, improves nutrient uptake, and encourages vigorous vine growth. Healthy vines produce more flowers later, leading to more fruits per plant. Your watermelon's future harvest starts here. A strong foundation today means a heavier harvest tomorrow. If you're learning something new, hit the like button and subscribe to Cultivate Uganda for more practical farming tips. As the vines begin flowering, the crop enters one of its most important stages, the flowering and fruit-setting stage. Many farmers lose potential yields because flowers fail to set fruit or simply drop from the plant. At this stage, apply pure boron foliar sprays, Yareliva calcium nitrate, and zinc formulations. Boron improves pollen formation and fruit set. Zinc promotes healthy flowering and prevents flower abortion, while calcium strengthens plant tissues and supports the development of newly formed fruits. The flowering stage determines your final yield because more flowers turning into fruits means more watermelons at harvest. Once fruits have formed and start increasing in size, the plant enters the fruit development and maturation stage. This is where profits are made. At this stage, watermelon plants demand large amounts of potassium and calcium. Farmers can apply Hyfa-Polyfeed high potassium, super finisher, or other potassium-rich foliar fertilizers. Potassium increases fruit size, improves sugar accumulation, enhances color, and gives watermelons their sweet taste. Calcium strengthens the rind, reduces fruit cracking, and improves shelf life during transportation. Proper nutrition at this stage produces jumbo-sized watermelons with better market value. Now, even with a good fertilizer program, nutrient deficiencies can still occur. Learning to recognize them early can save your harvest. Nitrogen deficiency usually appears as pale green or yellow older leaves, weak vines, slow growth, and small fruits. The solution is to apply nitrogen fertilizers such as CAN, urea, or balanced NPK fertilizers. Nitrogen encourages vigorous growth and prepares the plant for heavy fruit production. Phosphorus deficiency causes stunted plants with dark green or purplish leaves and weak root systems. Without enough phosphorus, the plant struggles to support heavy fruit production. Applying phosphorus-rich fertilizers and high-phosphorus foliar feeds can quickly correct the problem. Potassium deficiency causes yellowing and scorching around the leaf edges, poor fruit filling, and smaller, less sweet fruits. Since potassium is responsible for fruit size and sweetness, farmers should apply potassium fertilizers during fruit development. Magnesium deficiency causes yellowing between the veins of older leaves while the veins remain green. The leaves may eventually dry and fall off. Magnesium is essential because it keeps leaves green and productive, allowing the plant to manufacture the energy needed for fruit growth. Calcium deficiency is one of the most damaging problems in watermelon production. It causes blossom end rot, which appears as dark sunken patches at the blossom end of the fruit. Vine-growing tips may wither and die back, and young leaves can become distorted and cup downward. To manage calcium deficiency, apply chelated calcium foliar nutrients during the early fruit-setting stage and maintain consistent soil moisture because drought prevents the plant from absorbing calcium and quickly triggers blossom end rot. Another important deficiency is boron deficiency. Plants suffering from boron deficiency often develop brittle stems that crack open and release a gummy substance. Flowers may drop before setting fruit, and mature fruits can develop hollow heart, leaving empty cavities inside the red flesh. To manage boron deficiency, apply a dedicated boron micronutrient foliar spray as soon as the first flower buds appear. However, be careful with the dosage because too much boron can burn watermelon leaves. Finally, zinc deficiency causes small leaves, shortened internodes, yellow patches between leaf veins, and poor flowering. Applying zinc foliar fertilizers during early growth and flowering can help restore healthy plant development and improve fruit retention. Successful watermelon production depends on feeding the crop with the right nutrients at the right time. Nitrogen builds strong vines. Phosphorus develops healthy roots. Potassium increases fruit size and sweetness. Magnesium keeps leaves green and productive. Calcium prevents blossom end rot. Boron prevents hollow heart and improves fruit set. And zinc supports flowering and fruit retention. By combining a good foliar feeding program with early identification of nutrient deficiencies, you can harvest bigger, sweeter, and higher quality watermelons while maximizing your profits. Which nutrient deficiency have you experienced in your watermelon garden? Tell us in the comments below. This is Cultivate Uganda, where we help you grow smarter and harvest more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical farming knowledge. Happy farming, and may your next watermelon harvest be your biggest ever.